Hi everyone, Mr. Benjamin here, and today we'll be doing 2018 question 7C. So let's get to it. So question 7C says that hydrogen is passed over a heated metal oxide. So I can just write a simple equation. So we have a metal oxide with plus hydrogen, and we know that based on the reactivity series, hydrogen can displace the metal. Right? The unreacted hydrogen gas burnt off over here. Okay, and let's continue. Experiment uses silver oxide, silver 1 oxide. Okay, so silver 1 oxide, silver 1, and then oxide 2 minus. So the formula would be Ag2O. And the reaction forms liquid silver. So I need to write with state symbols. So the silver oxide, let's see, silver oxide, it looks like solid, so I write solid there. It reacts with the hydrogen gas, so reacts with hydrogen gas. And then reading the question, it produced liquid silver, so silver is Ag, and then liquid L. And then because it's a displacement reaction, right, the hydrogen will displace the silver, so it will form H2O. And because it's quite hot, most likely the H2O would be a gas. Okay, so over here, I need to balance. So I got 2 silver on the left side, and then I put a 2 here. Let me check. The rest should be balanced. So this is my balance equation. Please remember, silver needs to be liquid. The formula of silver oxide is also very important. We'll skip question B, and it looks like question C. So they tell me that there's another reaction. So in 2 separate experiments, hydrogen is passed over magnesium oxide, and the other one is passed during heated copper 2 oxide. So they ask you to describe the changes. So let me just do some rough working here. So please stop calling me a cute zebra. I like her calling me sexy. Quote. Second C, carbon. Hydrogen is over here. Magnesium is over here, and copper is over here. So you can see that magnesium is so much more reactive than hydrogen. So hydrogen cannot displace the magnesium oxide. So in order to make sure that my answer is clear, so we have our magnesium oxide. There will be no visible reaction. Okay, why is there no visible reaction? Because hydrogen is less reactive than magnesium. Hydrogen cannot displace magnesium from magnesium oxide. So the format is very important. You must tell me less reactive. It's better to say less reactive than below. Below is not very good. You should just say less reactive. So hydrogen is less reactive than magnesium. And then we have to say the substance that's trying to do the reaction. And displace is the thing that's coming out. So displace magnesium from what? So I repeat, less reactive. What is trying to do the reaction? What comes supposed to come out, which is magnesium, and from what? So that's the first one. Magnesium oxide, no visible reaction. Now let's take a look. Next one. So hydrogen and copper oxide. So this one might be a bit hard for us to imagine. So we'll just write it out first. So we got hydrogen, we got copper oxide. So copper oxide, we all should know, is actually black. Right? And then if this displacement reaction occurs, the copper should come out, and we know that this is a brown solid. And then displacement occur, that should be water, right? Which will be actually gas, but it will condense, right? So we'll write out the reasons first, so that might be easier for us. So hydrogen, same format, is more reactive than copper. You notice it's the same format. So hydrogen, instead of the word cannot, you use the word can displace copper from copper oxide. Okay, so copper oxide is, so format again, more reactive. Hydrogen, the element, displaces the thing that comes out from what? Okay, so let's write what is the observation. So for the copper 2 oxide, you can see that the solid turns from black to brown. So solid turns from black to brown. And then water is also formed. So we should be able to see, we can't see water vapor, but we can see condensation. So you should see water droplets forming on, do they call it glass tube here? Yes, glass tube. On the glass tube. So then you see we have water vapor, water droplets here, right? But in our reason, we didn't say water. Correct? So let's take a look at our reason. So hydrogen is more reactive than copper. Hydrogen can displace copper from copper oxide. And then I would say, I'll add in forming, let me move this one away. Okay, forming copper metal and water. Alright, so that's how you answer 2018 question 7C. I hope that helps. Bye.